In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Twitter. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Twitter. I will share for beginners step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss these new methods that I will share for free. And let's get started. Okay, so first you need to go for beginners who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. First, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, what you need to do, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. It's super easy. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Twitter to earn commission, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Twitter, and I will share with you how do you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, like this, click on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design. It's super easy. Search for logo design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, like this one, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has a lot of orders in queue. People keep coming back. This seller is providing a good service for his customers. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this, click over here again and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. Okay, so if you don't have Twitter account, go to Google, search for Twitter, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Twitter. It's super easy. Click on the search and search for I need logo. Okay, search for I need a logo and here you go. If you scroll down, you can find a lot of people searching for logo designer like this one. I need a logo designer. Okay, so for example, like this one is searching for logo designer. So what you will do, you will click over here on reply. Okay, like this, and go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this. Go back to Twitter and put this title over here. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy your affiliate link from here, new plan. It's almost the same. Okay, and put your affiliate link here like this, and here you go. What you need to do next is you just need to click on reply. Okay, and your reply will be sent to this person. Okay, and here you go. It will be sent like this. I will do 3 modern minimalist logo design for your business. If this person is still looking for logo designer, he will click on your affiliate link, for example, like this. He will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission, and that's it. And you can find a lot of people here. Okay, let me see, got it. So like I said, you will find a lot of people here on Twitter who are searching for logo designer. Okay, just click on the search for logo designer, keep scrolling down, and you will find every single day a lot of people searching for logo designer. Okay, like this one. If you scroll down, here is another person. I need a business logo. This post posted just today. Okay, this person is looking for business logo. Okay, if you scroll down, I need logo, and if we keep scrolling down, here is another person. I need logo. I need graphic designer for a logo. And you can find a lot of people here searching for logo designer. I need graphic designer for a logo I can pay. This person has money and he is ready to pay logo designer. You will go to this. So this seller on Fiverr will help this person to make a professional and a good logo, and that's it. You will click on reply and you will use the same method and you will replace this person who is looking for graphic designer to make a logo for him, and that's it. So that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.